to show you how you can change your category headings to a different language. We live in a small world these days, so that quite often products that you're doing end up in a different part of the world that they speak a different language in. So let's show you how easy it is to change the headings to a different language. So I'm going to select barcode and I'm going to right click on it, and then halfway down the pop-up menu here we have translate. Now I want it to go from English, so I'm selecting English, and I want it to go to French. And so you select French. Now there is hundreds of languages here that you can select. And so as you can see, it's decided that this is what the translation is for this one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, and I'm not going to paste it directly on the cell because then you will lose the formatting. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select it, and I'm going to go to the formula bar and paste it here. Now, to show you what will happen, so this is the translation of category, and if I put it right on the cell, it will lose the formatting. And so you would have to go one more step and copy the formatting from the cell beside you. So we can keep doing this. So it would be easy to complete them all. Now there's one more thing that you would need to do in a French sheet here. And it'd be, maybe you're changing to a different currency. It would be euros or whatever else, whatever the currency is of the country. But the other thing is that in French, the dollar sign normally comes at the end of the number instead of the beginning of the number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these cells, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to select format cells. And then I'm going to select currency, and symbol, there's none, but I'm going to go French Canadian. And then I'll say OK. And there you can see that the dollar sign is put at the end of the values here. So it is very easy to change your headings from your Excel sheet to meet another language's requirements. Please subscribe.